Ready to put your cryptocurrency to work and earn passive income? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to stake your crypto on crypto.com to earn attractive rewards while supporting the networks you believe in. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Staking lets you earn rewards on your cryptocurrency holdings by participating in network security and operations. Crypto.com makes staking accessible to everyone with flexible and fixed-term options. Let me guide you through the process. First, navigate to the Earn section in your crypto.com app. Here you'll find all the available staking options, organized by cryptocurrency with their respective annual percentage yields, APY, clearly displayed. Choose between flexible and fixed terms based on your needs. Flexible terms let you withdraw anytime but offer lower rewards, while fixed terms, 1 or 3 months, provide higher yields but lock your funds for the term duration. Select the cryptocurrency you want to stake from the available options. Popular staking choices include CRO, ETH, DOT, and many others, each with different reward rates and term options. Enter the amount you want to stake and review the terms. The app will show you exactly how much you can expect to earn during the staking period. Confirm your selection and complete the staking process. A crucial pro tip: consider starting with a flexible term if you're new to staking, as it gives you liquidity while you learn. For maximum returns, use fixed terms and consider staggering your stakes so they mature at different times, giving you regular access to funds while maintaining overall exposure. And just like that, you're earning passive income on your cryptocurrency holdings. Staking transforms your crypto from a static asset into a productive one that grows over time. If this guide helps you start earning staking rewards, please give it a like. Which cryptocurrency are you most excited to stake first? Share your staking plans in the comments below. To explore more earning opportunities, subscribe for our next video on how to use the crypto.com Earn program. Thanks for watching.